Hello everyone, welcome to Spatial Research. Today we will understand how to increase the image resolution of Landsat 8 imagery. Here we use the ENVI software. So first we need to add our data. So open the optical sensors, Landsat, geotip with metadata. And I just download a Landsat 8 imagery. This is my imagery, Landsat 8. And we need to just add the MTL file. So it's the data level 2 collection 2. It's not contained any panchromatic band. So for this I individually download panchromatic bands for increase the image resolution. So we know that the spatial resolution of the Landsat imagery is 30 meter and the panchromatic imagery is 15 meter. So we need a panchromatic image for increase the resolution. That's why it's called also the pan sharpening. Now I just adding a panchromatic image. So it's the band 8 panchromatic image with the 15 meter resolution. Okay, done. Now we need to subset the image because this image tiles is quite large, so it's take very much time to uh, end the program. So now I just use the subset and here you can see the ROI, region of interest. I just need a rectangle here and I select the entire Kolkata region and right click, accept the rectangle. Okay, done. Now we need to go the subset option, subset data from the ROI. So at first I just select the panchromatic band and select the ROI and choose the folder where we want to save. So I just save pan 12.dat. So that is the extension because if I want to add this data in the ArcGIS or the other, so without the .dat extension, it cannot be added. Okay, done. Our clipping is done. Then the second one is the multispectral imagery, Landsat 8, level 2 collection 2. And I just choosing in the folder Landsat 8.dat. Okay, fine. So our clipping is done. Now you can see this is the imagery. It's imagery Landsat 8 imagery, 30 meter resolution, and another one is the pan imagery, is 15 meter resolution. Now we just increase this Landsat 8 imagery resolution with the respect of the pan image. So for this we need to go the image sharpening, and the best method is the Graham-Smith pan sharpening. So at first we need to add the low resolution. and then selecting the high resolution. And sensor is the TM-OLI. We know that Landsat 8 OLI, and you can see bilinear nearest neighbor and cubic convolutions. This all are the resampling method. So here I just use the cubic convolutions and selecting final image, final 15 meter dot dat. Okay, done. Now you can see it's increased very much resolution, because if I change the views in a two views, so now and if I add this into the second one, so now you can see the difference. So it's a pan sharp image. It's a pan sharp image, and if I zoom this, it's the previous image which I download. It's a previous image, and it's a pan sharpening image. Okay, so it's the difference between two. And after the pan sharpening, you can easily extract the water bodies and very much uh, features, very different features from the satellite imagery. Because if you zoom this image and also zoom this image, you can see this is more clear and its boundary is more sharp. So that's why we easily extract the feature from this imagery. Okay, is the important feature of the pan sharpening image. Thank you everyone. See you in the next video.